Airstrike. A sports revolution for women, men, boys, and girls.
One of the most significant differences between the airstrike system and primitive traditional pole vault methods is the vaulter's ability to begin loading the flexing pole while in the air. Unlike traditional pole vaulting, where vaulters gamble with their safety by wildly flinging their bodies randomly off of flexible poles, the completely contrary airstrike procedure is a coherent, controlled, coordinated, acrobatically performed movement that is executed consistently with planned, practiced precision. The airstrike technique also takes into account that, combined with the ability to load the flexing pole while the vaulter is already in the air, the athlete's suspended body on the end of the flexing pole is also the object of centrifugal force as the flexing pole spins. Applying the airstrike system, the energy generated from the centrifugal force is now used to further assist in accelerating the vaulter's momentum skyward. If you are wondering how the vaulter maintains control of this powerful increased upward momentum, let's go back and watch the vaulter's inverted body and leg positioning more closely. As a reference, the direction of the runway approach is perpendicular, or 90 degrees, to the front edge of the landing mats in our picture. In this frame, we can see in the distance a palm tree directly on the other side of the suspended vaulter's left foot. The runway line direction intersects our direct line of sight to the distant palm tree at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. We can also see that the vaulter's body is pointing in nearly a direct line between our camera position and the distant palm tree at close to 45 degrees, crossing the line of the runway. In other words, the vaulter's body is rotating to his left at an angle different from the approach runway. Also, we can see by noting the position of the top of the vaulter's head that he is looking where he wants to direct his body to go at a slight angle upward to his right. As we watch the upward angle of the vaulter's leg in relation to the vertical lines of the distant palm trees, we could see that as he is moving upward, he is shifting the position of his legs to guide his body in the direction he wants to go. This video, recorded in 1992, demonstrates a precise, controlled, graceful vault like none other ever documented since the invention of the fiberglass vaulting pole in 1952, more than 60 years ago. The airstrike system is the most revolutionary procedural discovery in the history of sports. Airstrike pole vault technique, a sports revolution for women, men, boys, and girls.